Hello and welcome to another Nimble video tutorial. So today I'm going to talk about different types of developers because I've been programming for many years and I've met friends who are developers. My wife's a developer, my closest friends are developers, and you find all different types out there. There are some developers, who get really attached to UI development. There are some developers that are hardcore C. They will not or did not transition to the world of JavaScript and states machines. And you gotta love them all. There are some developers who get really attached to the coding aspects and the syntax of, let's say, ES6 versus ES5, and the different transitions between, let's say, Angular to React. That unfortunately is just not me. I used to be a coder, I guess, when I was much younger, and that's what I did. I coded myself up my own custom libraries. I've got a nice suite of libraries that have dated back to '85, I guess, in various languages: C, Power Basic, and now JavaScript. But I don't consider myself a coder. I love algorithms. I love being able to dissect algorithms and make very solid, fast algorithms. The thing that I'm most passionate about is speed and accuracy, regardless of the language, regardless of the syntax. So what am I? I'm not a coder. I'm a creator. And it's a very distinct difference. A person who is a creator is someone who executes on an idea from start to finish, including the testing, the hardening, and all facets of a full process of software development. And with that, episode 2, season 3. So in this little demo I'm going to give you today, I'm just going to show you 2 more of the libraries that I was able to integrate into the Nimble platform. We will start with a normal surface dialog. And in this case, I want to make the surface a little small because I'm going to bring in a nice D3 world object. This is just a D3 presentation of the globe. Nothing too fancy. We'll build this component and then take it for a test drive and see how well it works. From our last video, the previous surface component. So when we refresh this guy, we get a nice looking rotating 3D globe using D3 and a nice JSON object of all the countries on the globe. I didn't bother to colorize it. I probably could have added colors to it, but it's just a simple web object to show you that D3 is launched and ready to go. Just something nice to play around with. For my next demonstration, I'm going to delete this component and bring in just a label control. This particular control, I'm going to extend it beyond the bottom of the surface dialog. In this dialog, what we're going to do, we're going to set the overflow to hidden on the dialog, so that way it will clip the text. You need to alter this text. Actually, we can make sure it's left justified and vertical align it. Okay, on my previous browser tab, I had some Ipsum text. I'm just going to copy this into that label control. And we have a nice little chunk of text that flows off the edge. This little demo is going to make use of my Optiscroll component. This little guy I found on the web, and what it does is it replaces your scroll bars with that really slick thin scroll on the component. So I'll just drop that in and then we'll build it. We refresh this page. You'll notice that the text is here, and we have a really sweet scroll bar here that will scroll the text throughout the dialog. I wanted to show this because it's really nice how other people's libraries and components blend so perfectly with Nimble. My ability to build interfaces, a very open standard interface, and work with how other people code and their other design styles out there, and not clash with my namespace or cause hiccups with the way Nimble performs, was really better than I expected. I just wanted to give you a good look at how well this and how beautiful that little enhancement plays with Nimble. So that's pretty much all I have for this demo today. Once again, the Nimble solution season 3 is all about integration and quality. As I continue to build these demos, I'm going to try to make sure everything I do is live, so you get to see the full creation process or the full layout design. And I hope you appreciate this. Thank you for watching.